Hi beautiful you family, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I want to welcome you here, and if you are one of my subscribers, as always I say a big thank you. So for today we are going to do a very soft glam look. So I am starting off brushing my eyebrows, and we are about to beat these eyebrows up. First, I am using my black eyeliner pencil to create the shape. After I'm done using my black pencil, I use my dark brown pencil to color it in and also to create strokes. Alright beautiful you family, so I am almost done creating the shape that I want for my eyebrows. I'm going to be using my e.l.f. concealer in the color Rich Cocoa to create the shape that I want and also to clean out my eyebrows. So let's go ahead. I hope you are doing the same thing. Please grab your angle brush, your concealer, and let's try to create a very nice and popping eyebrows together. I am going to apply some of my concealer on my eyelid because we are about to start doing our eyeshadow. After I'm done with that, I always like to use some of my loose powder to put it in front of my eyebrows. Like, I am using this color here and I am applying it all over my eyelid. This brown, and I'm starting right there. And I'm going in with just a little bit of this. It looked like an orange peach color. I'm getting just a little bit and starting right there. Okay, now I'm using this color here and I'm placing it right there and going up. Taking it up. I went ahead to do my waterline. Since we are done with our eyeshadow, we are now moving on to do our face. I went ahead to apply some of my primer on my face, and now I am going to try out this e.l.f. foundation that I got. Oh my goodness, that color was not my color. When I put it on my face, it was too white for my face, so I had to wipe it off to use my CoverGirl foundation, because that e.l.f. foundation that I got, sis, it was not doing it for me. The next step for us to achieve this soft glam is for us to use some of our concealer. So again, I am using my e.l.f. concealer in the color Rich Cocoa. So that is what I'm doing. I am placing some on my forehead and also on the bridge of my nose and under my eyes, and we are about to apply this in. I am using my flat brush to make sure that my concealer, I push it in good so that I don't have any harsh lines on my face. If you want to use your beauty blending sponge, you can use that as well, but for today I was just using my flat brush, and I went ahead to also use my beauty blending sponge. I went ahead to put my benign topaz to bake my face, and the next step is for me to bake my face. So I am using my Ruby Kisses, and the color is in Ebony, and I am about to contour my face. To contour beautiful you family, so go ahead and contour your face. After I'm done with that, I want to shape my nose. I want my nose to be looking so pointy, so I am again going ahead to also contour my nose. And as you can see, my face is still baking. I'm now going to be moving on to do my lips. I always like to use my dark brown pencil to line out my lips, and like I always say, I'm not a big fan of lipstick, but let's try to do a little something. Let's, because we definitely want this face to be popping, and this face, we want it to be looking so good. So that is what I'm doing. My face has baked enough, so I am using my fluffy brush to make sure that the powder that I put on my face, I'm now pushing it in, and I am trying to clean it out my face. And after I am done with that, I'm going to be using my setting powder to make sure that my face is all beat and my face is all done. So I am using my brush to apply my loose setting powder. And again, my lips is not done yet. I went ahead to apply one of my lipstick. The color is more like a nude color. It wasn't, and I used some of my lip gloss, like it was more on a pink side. I used a little bit on top of it, and beautiful, you family, that was it. That is how I was able to achieve this very simple and soft glam look. So if you are going out, you can definitely rock this makeup look. I also went ahead to apply my highlighter, and I do have like my favorite highlighter that I like, and I am putting some of my highlighter on, and voila, this is it. And I will be using my setting spray to spray this soft glam look up, so that I want this makeup to stay on my face for a long time. So I went ahead to do that, and also I went ahead to apply my falsy lashes off camera. Again, I am not a pro on applying my falsy lashes yet, so as soon as I become a pro, I would definitely show you guys how to apply it. So voila, this is how my soft glam looks. Thank you so much. If you are new here, please make sure you hit the subscription button